Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone says unknown accessory detected in easy steps. Step 1. Clean the charging port. Turn off your iPhone. Use a soft brush or toothpick. Gently remove dust from the charging port. Dust tricks the phone into thinking an accessory is connected. Step 2. Disconnect all accessories. Unplug charger, headphones or adapters. Use original Apple certified cable only. Reconnect and check if message appears again. Fake or damaged cable triggers this warning. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. Hold volume up plus side button, slide to power off, then turn it on again. Quick restart clears the accessory detecting glitch. Step 4. Turn off Bluetooth device nearby. Go to settings, then Bluetooth, turn Bluetooth off. Sometimes AirTags, earphones or trackers nearby trigger false alert. Step 5. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Install any available update. Step 6. Reset accessory settings. First, go to the settings, then general, then transfer or reset, then reset, tap reset location and privacy. This resets accessory permissions and fix false pop-ups. And this is how you can fix if your iPhone says unknown accessory detected. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.